Fourth-party risk in banking refers to the potential risks that arise from the actions and activities of a vendor's subcontractors or service providers. It is an extension of the third-party risk that banks face when dealing with external vendors or suppliers. The term fourth party is used to describe an entity that operates outside the direct contractual relationship between the bank and its third-party vendor. When a bank engages a third-party vendor to provide services or products, that vendor might, in turn, outsource some of its responsibilities to other subcontractors. These subcontractors are considered fourth parties. The challenge for the bank is that it may have limited visibility and control over these fourth-party relationships, leading to potential risks that could impact its operations, data security, compliance, and reputation. Fourth-party risk management is crucial for banks to ensure that they understand the full scope of their third-party relationships and the potential risks associated with the vendor's subcontractors. Some key steps in managing fourth-party risk include: due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence on third-party vendors to identify if they use subcontractors and the extent of their involvement in the services provided. Contractual obligations. Include specific clauses in contracts with third-party vendors that require them to disclose any subcontractors and ensure they adhere to the bank's security, compliance, and risk management standards. Ongoing monitoring. Continuously monitor and assess the performance and compliance of both third-party vendors and their subcontractors. Data protection. Ensure that appropriate data protection measures are in place to safeguard sensitive customer information shared with third-party vendors and their subcontractors. Contingency planning. Develop contingency plans in case of disruptions or breaches caused by the actions or failures of fourth parties, to minimize the impact on the bank's operations. By effectively managing fourth-party risk, banks can mitigate potential threats to their operations, reputation, and customer trust that may arise from the activities of subcontractors associated with their third-party vendors. Fourth-party risk in banking refers to the potential risks that arise from